Hi guys, today we're going to be making fried chicken wings. Here I have my seasoned chicken, egg wash and seasoned flour. On the side you'll be able to see the seasonings that I've used. So what I'm going to do now is dip my chicken into the flour, shake the bowl, dip it back into the egg wash and put it back into the flour. As you can see, the chicken is now in the oil and it's sizzling. Now all the chicken is in the oil, what I'm doing now, as you can see, is turning over the chicken. And you want to keep it in the oil until it's quite golden. Now what I'm doing is transferring the chicken to my rack. This will allow the oil to fall right into the tray instead of soaking into the chicken. Into the oven is completely cooked. I just want it to be a little bit more crispy. So here I will be putting the chicken into the tray ready for the oven. The tray is lined with parchment paper and I'm putting the chicken on individually, one side and then the opposite side to create space in the tray. The chicken is now ready and this is the final look. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, comment and
we dey fight, don't mean say make we break up, oh. That is to say, baby.